Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're juggling data between Excel and Smartsheet, you're not alone. In 2025, integrating these two powerhouses can save you tons of time and reduce errors. Today, I'm walking you through a simple step-by-step guide to get Excel talking seamlessly with Smartsheet. Let's dive in. First off, why bother integrating? Excel is great for detailed spreadsheets, but Smartsheet shines in collaborative project management. By linking them, you can automate data transfers, keeping everything synced and up to date. Plus, with the latest 2025 updates, Smartsheet's API makes this easier than ever. Step 1. Prepare your Excel file. Start by organizing your data. Make sure your columns are clearly labeled. This will help with mapping later. Save your file in a compatible format like XLSX or CSV. Next, head over to Smartsheet. Log in to your account and navigate to the Import section. Here, you'll find options to connect external tools. Select the integration for Excel, which might involve granting permissions if it's your first time. Now, for the fun part, mapping your data. Smartsheet will prompt you to match Excel columns to Smartsheet fields. Take your time here. Double-check that dates, numbers, and text align correctly to avoid any mix-ups. Once mapped, hit Import and let the magic happen. Test your integration by making changes in Excel and seeing if they reflect in Smartsheet. If you run into issues, like formatting errors, check for compatibility or use Smartsheet's troubleshooting guide. Finally, maintain your integration. Set up schedules for automatic syncs if needed, and always back up your data. There you have it, smooth integration in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your favorite productivity tool? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.